Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The topic we are going to start is the numbers. First of all, in this topic we have a place value, the number that are the made of the different digits, that you can write any numbers in these 10 digits as starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and each number, each digit has its place value. The place of the each digit in a number tell us that the digits means the place value changed by the factor of the 10, and it's mean that the each value change after the number of the 10. So you move from one column to the next column, as we have different columns. First the column is the column of ones, then the next column we have the column of tens, then the next column we have that is the column of hundreds. Here we have an example of the ones, 10 and 100, that there are the 7 days in a week. So we can write the 7 in the column of ones. Then there are the 12 months in a year. So we can write 2 in the column of 1, while 1 we can write in the column of tens. So the next is there are 365 days in a year. So we write 5 in a ones column, 6 in the tens column and 3 in the hundreds column. So it's mean that the 7 days means 7 ones, and 12 months mean that it have 1 tens and 2 ones, and the 365 days mean that there are 3 hundreds in it and 6 tens and 5 ones in it. The next topic we have is the standard form and expanded form. The standard form, we can say that it is a numeric form, as given in this example is 234. So we can write the standard form to open the standard form in an expanded form, as written in this example, that it has 2 hundreds in it and 3 tens in it and 4 ones. So we write 200 plus 3 tens and 4 ones. So we have one more example here, that 400, 5 tens and 7 ones. So we write that there are 4 hundreds in it and 5 tens in it and 7 ones in it. If we write this in a standard form, so we write this as this, that is 457. The next example we have is 600, 9 tens and 2 ones. So we write 6 hundreds in it and 9 tens in it and 2 1. If we write this in a standard form, so we write 692. The next topic we have circle the ones and tens. So we have to circle the 3 in a ones. There are the different examples that are given. So first, in the first example, you have to circle 3 that is coming in the ones place. So we have a different numbers, 256 first of all, the next is 83, then we have 345, then we have 973. So we have to circle 3 that is coming in the place of ones. First we have 83. In this number 83, 3 is coming in the ones digits number, so we write circle this 83. In the next example 973, 3 is coming in the ones place, so we circle this 973. In the next example we have to circle the 2 that is coming in the tens place. So we have a different example starting from 986. The next is 213. The next is 29 and 532. In these different examples, we have only 29. 2 is coming in the ones digits. So we circle this 29. The next we have to next 5 numbers, we have to count the next 5 number as first coming in this example starting from the 300. The next will be 301, the next will be 302, the next will be 303, the next will be 304, and the next will be 305. But the next example we have 897. The next we write here 898. Next we write 899, and the next we write 900, and the next will be 901, and the next filling the blanks we write 902. The next topic we have write the numbers names. So we write here the standard form is given, so we have to change these number in a words form. First example we have 876. So we write with the spelling as written in this example: 8 EIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 AND SEVENty 70 SIX 6. So we write the standard form in a words form. The next example we have 765. So we write 7 SEVEN 700 HUNDRED 100 and 65 SIXTY 60 FIVE 5. The next topic we have write in a number form. The number form in a words form that is written, so we have to change in a number form. The first we have the example 190, so we write in a numeric form 190. The next we have 213, so we write 2 and 13 here in this column. The next topic we have write the number in an expanded form. The number in numeric form is written, so we have to write in an expanded form. As I explained before, expanded form you have to write that how many hundred, tens and the ones are coming in it. In the first example 638, in this example 600 and it means any 6 hundreds and the 3 tens and 8 ones are coming. In the next example 345, in this example 300s are coming, 4 10. So we write 300 in this column and 4 plus 0 4 tens are coming and the 5 ones are coming in this example. Thanks.